Linux suck. Here's why millions of nerds, hackers, and even normal people swear by it. Hey guys! If you're stuck debating Linux versus Windows, this video's for you. We're keeping it short, just 2 minutes and you'll walk away mind blown. Let's go! Linux is only for nerds.
Wrong.
Linux has easy versions like Ubuntu and Mint. My grandma uses it and she still thinks RAM is a sheep. You can't game on Linux.
False.
The Steam Deck runs Linux, and 60% of Windows games work flawlessly. Linux is ugly. Bro, Linux can look sexier than your Mac. Customize everything. Even your cursor farts glitter. Linux is unstable. Linux runs NASA rockets, supercomputers, and your smart fridge. Meanwhile, Windows updates at 3 a.m. Linux is hard to install. Linux installs faster than Windows. Plus, no product key begging. Linux sucks because once you try it, you'll never go back. And that terrifies other OSes. Want to test drive Linux risk-free? Grab a USB, and I'll drop a tutorial below. Like and sub if this made you question your OS life choices.